How it works is that we scan eBay every day for 40,000 different dropshippers. And when we find something that sells well for one of our dropshippers, we add it to the database, and then we can offer these products to other people. So if someone else wants to list the product, they just grab the product from here, upload. For example, now I want, let's say, 100 products.
Okay.
I click upload it. I put here the configuration that I want, the template, the price, and everything. Then I click upload, and it will be uploaded to my store. Now, eBay likes to see when people are listing products every day.
Yes.
And so what you can do is to create a recurring upload. Recurring upload is an upload that you just say, I want every day at 6 p.m., 6:30 to list 100 products to my store, and we just list every day 100 products to my store again and again, and that's all. And